Very good morning to you all. Yeah. I, Dr. P. Sanjota, in charge of the Department of English, invite you all to the guest lecture organized by our department of ASD Government Degree College for Women, Kakinada. So to grace this, now I would like to welcome Shanti Madam. Please come on to the dais. One of our students will welcome Madam with a sapling. Department in charge of our Physics Department, Dr. Devara sir, please occupy the seat. Sir has passion for English. You need soft skills, isn't it? Meeku job ravali ante first em undali. Apart from your subject, you may excel in your core subject like physics, mathematics, or chemistry, biology.
Thank you. Yeah. Good morning to all. This was first in today's session, that is Ananda Rao, Head of the Department of English, Dr. Sanjota, Shanti, and other lecturers who have come here to listen to this one. This morning when I learned this, that there is a communication guest lecture, I googled it. I googled what is the importance of communication, give some quotations. Those who work at it, in my bar lecture actually. Communication works for those who work at it అని చెప్పాడు. అంటే ఎవరైతే వర్క్ చేస్తారో, you understand, communication, that means especially talking very nicely, with proper use of words doesn't come to anybody who doesn't practice much. He has to work hard, he has to do a lot of background work or homework to present himself in an occasion. That doesn't come naturally. Except most of the words English words and then I take the screenshot and then just I keep them, and whenever I find time or I find leisure, I just go through those words once again. So that's my habit. At one time I used to do it with the dictionary. Dictionary తీసుకోవడం, దాంట్లో words take పెట్టుకోవడం, దాని కింద underline చేసుకోవడం, different color pens. So when did I come across this? In which book I came across this particular word? In what context I came across this? So I just, but nowadays the cell phone has replaced this one. So we use Google in that way also. That will help you a lot. And immediately once when you do it, you'll come word score that will suggest you some 4 to 5 words, related words to the meanings allow me to develop just. So with that, I conclude. Thank you very much once again. Looking forward to an excellent.
Reflecting his advanced expertise in English language education. With over 16 years of extensive teaching experience, Mr. Polisetty has worked in diverse academic environments across India and abroad. His professional journey includes serving as assistant professor at Ideal Institute of Technology from 2024 to 2020. His international teaching experience includes esteemed work under the Ministry
HOD, staff members, and dear students. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
How many of you are sitting here?
We don't know.
It's your college, your class, your classmates. Okay, let's take around 90, let's take it as a minute, or maybe around 100. I asked only one question, how are you? Okay, hereafter, from today, forget about using I and fine. Kick it, throw it into the dustbin. That sentence is not needed. Why? Be different. And word. Do you eat a chewed chocolate? Gum. Chewing gum. Do you eat again and again? You take it today, put it aside, put it in the refrigerator, next day morning use it again. Will you do that?
No.
I am fine is a phrase or a sentence that is overused in the world. It's a hackneyed.
Use generally this one, sir. Peter Fiddle.
It's an overused. Do not use an overused word. Be different. The world is different. If there is nothing special, nobody cares about you. Nobody. So you need to grab the attention. How? Be different. So, individually, each one of you, you need to come up with some word other than fine. I am fine means maybe inside you are not fine. It doesn't carry the whole meaning. So hereafter, be different. How are you? I'm good. One way. How are you? I'm doing well. How are you? I'm excellent. How are you? I'm great in the morning. Be different. One point is, use different words. Or maybe today you use different words. With one person you say fine. With another person I'm good. A third one I'm great. But difference should be there. In every Can you say it loudly? Hey, can you say it loudly? 1 minute. Can you stand up? Quickly. Over there, the one sitting at the door, can you please raise your palm, your hand? Higher. Alright, wonderful. Can you say it loudly? Yes. Can you ask her, how are you? Ask the question. Quickly. All of you, ask her. Can you hear? No. See? The first point in communication is confidence, confidence, confidence. What is the first point? Confidence. You know the answer, it is right. That is your thought, not somebody else's thought. It came from your mind. It is your mouth. You are saying the word. Then why are you afraid? Say it loudly. Excuse me, can you hear? All of you, can you hear? What did you have for breakfast? Idli. Say again. Yes? I'm not trying to fight. I'm not trying to find fault with her. No. I'm trying to demonstrate. Without confidence, we cannot achieve anything. If you want to achieve something, even most thing, even if you answer wrongly, nobody cares. What they look when you attend an interview, trying to boost confidence, to inject confidence into you. They want the people who are already confident. Because other things you can read by heart, memorize, write exams, earn more certificates. That's all different. That is achievable by any person. But confidence is, don't wait for somebody else. You are not a patient to take medicine from a doctor. No. You are an individual. You have already studied for a long time, around 15 years. Why should you wait for somebody else's word? No need. You can train yourself. Train your brain. The first thing is confidence. Thank you very much for answering. By the way, how are you? Wonderful. Can you hear her? Wonderful. Very good. So that is the first thing. Number one, be confident. Number two, be different. These two things are the spices in communication. Before that, let's think, what is communication? What is it? What is communication? How many of you can hear when I speak? Raise your hands. Thank you very much. How many of you cannot hear? Oh. Thank you very much. That's a perfect answer. Yes, I can hear. She announced it. Number two. Yeah, she announced it. I can hear. Oh, it's okay, I can hear, that's what she said. Next one. How many of you actually are listening to what I speak? You're listening to it, you're not hearing. She says she's listening to me. She doesn't want to hear. Why? Can you stand up and say it loudly? No, I'm not. Hearing is physiological. You hear anything. For example, you just remain silent, you can hear many sounds. Many sounds. A bird chirping outside, the fan making some noise, or somebody dragging a chair, somebody walking out in a corridor, or maybe a mobile. And see, she said she was listening. Listening is psychological. Deaf and dumb. If you can't hear, you can't understand, and then you can't process it. You will not be able to speak it. These two skills go together. Listening and sounds maybe. Listen when somebody speaks. Listen to a radio. Do not watch. If you want to be reading the subtitles, you will never learn English, no. How? For example, I speak more, I analyze, and what's the use? But gestures are different from place to place. They change. But some are international. I'm not talking about you. And over there. So these are gestures. This is body language. Gestures, they increase what you want to say. They amplify. They clarify. They elaborate. So gestures are more important. And do not use some gestures which are dangerous. For example, frowning face, frown face. Did I talk about you? Did I? Always have a smile on your face. Smiling face. That's the golden face. Always smile. And don't stare at anyone. Which? Follow the order there. Follow the order. We are going to start again. What? Next. Next word. Come on. You have already had your breakfast. What are you waiting for? Lunch? Speak loudly. Oh, I'm using microphone. That's fine. Okay, put it aside. Now I am along with you. I'm not using any mic. Speak loudly. Come on, quickly. When? Very good. Next one. Okay, next one. Who? Who are you? Find which?
Dear classmates and fellow students, my name is Ananda Rao. I am from BCom CA first year. So, I would like to say thanks to sir, and I am so honored to know many things about communication and soft skills through sir.
In the seminar hall conducted a valuable lecture to told him a lots of information about the communication. English is very important for all because we in our future and also in our life, a student can communicate with others is one of the use language is much more in English because English is one of the common everybody uses the language. In everywhere we will use English. So somebody think English is